Hey guys, is Microsoft finally getting into the smart thermostat market, or is this just another one of their concepts that'll never come to production? In this video, we'll look at what we know about the Microsoft Glass, and I'll let you know whether this thing's going to come to production or not. Coming up. Hey guys, my name is Joshua Gross and this is the Gross Tech Show, where you get useful reviews for useful technology. On this show, we do a lot of home technology, from smart thermostats like today's video to just some great technology that can be useful for your family and your house. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, check out the description below. It'll have show notes, links to any kind of articles or products that are mentioned in this video. But let's get right into this video. On July 19th, Microsoft and Johnson Controls unveiled, very secretly I might add, a thermostat concept. They called it GLAS. And they didn't give us much to go off of besides a short little video. The thermostat is a very sleek and interesting looking piece of equipment, honestly. It reminds me of like an Amazon Echo Show, but the screen is made of glass instead. It's a lot more to offer, they say, than their competitors like the Nest, and it has the power of Windows IoT Core running the whole system with Cortana and Microsoft Azure in the background. So you've got the voice controls of Cortana as their backbone, which is pretty awesome because of how Microsoft has pushed the advancing of Cortana to be used. Also, you've got a great company, Johnson Controls, who have been in the HVAC equipment industry for over 130 years, creating what I would assume to be the thermostat needs and the controls that need to be in it. First, we see it's a touchscreen that seems to have multiple pages that you can swipe back and forth to. We'll call them menus, to be able to see the different features in each menu. It talks about knowing whether you're in the room or when you're gone out of the room, which isn't new. The Nest has been doing that. But one thing that I find very interesting that I saw in this video, and it talks about this specific feature. It says, Glass constantly monitors indoor and outdoor air quality and intelligently changes its settings, making it capable of providing leading energy savings. Now, that's fancy and everything and sounds really nice, but whether or not it's going to be able to do that, we'll have to wait and see. But how is it going to be able to do that? Whether it's done through different nodes or different add-ons in each room, or is it just simply an app like the Weather Channel app and it gets all its information of that? It's less fancy that way, so we'll have to wait and see. But if it's able to actually capture real-time data on the humidity, the air quality, as they call it, and change your heating or cooling based off of that, not just using the weather app, I'd say that'd be pretty awesome and pretty impressive. Now, they say that it is capable of providing leading energy savings, which means that they are trying to say it has the ability to do so, but obviously they don't have a fully working product to be able to test that and know for 100% sure that it's going to be above the Nest or the Echo, to be able to say that it is for sure giving a better energy savings. As far as the controls, other than touch and voice activation with Cortana, it looks like you can adjust just like you would on any thermostat. You can adjust the temperature up or down, whether it's on auto, heat, cool, or just off. It also has your fan, whether it's on or auto or off. So nothing big there, but the interface looks pretty slick. It gives indoor and outdoor temperature. Now, whether that's done through an app on Weather Channel or something like that, or actually devices that are outside or inside to be able to measure that, again, we'll have to wait and see. The other thing it gives you is a look at your energy savings, the air quality, as they say, and a way to schedule, which doesn't make sense if you can sense whether you're in the room or not. Why would you need a schedule that you're going to be on vacation? Because then it would know you're gone, so it should not need a scheduling. But the big question is the price, and honestly it'll depend on who this thing is going to be marketed for. Now in the video, it kind of looks like it's based for businesses. Johnson Controls is a very business-oriented HVAC company that specifically designs controls for companies. With that in mind, the video shows a lot of different businesses that would be using it. It talks about accomplishing air quality control. Now, that sounds more like a hospital, a doctor's office, not exactly my house, but maybe that's something that would be kind of cool. But it comes down to the price, and if we look at the competitors, the Nest is about $250, the Amazon Echo Show is $230, It's not a thermostat, but can control one. The other big one is the Echo B. It's just close to $200. And so these are being developed for your house. So if Microsoft and Johnson Controls wants to be in that market and not in the company of doing businesses, that price is going to have to be pretty close to that. 300 at the most is what I would say, but we'll just have to wait and see with the coming months what we are told. Now, on to the big question, will it actually be made, or is this just another announcement of some cool concept that will never be produced? Honestly, to me, I think it will be produced. They have more of a prototype, at least, in this video. It doesn't seem to be all CGI and fancy videoing to make it look like it's actually working. It actually looks like the interface is real. So I'd have to say, with what we have, and knowing that Microsoft wants to be in this market, I'd have to say that it is going to actually happen. Who knows when, though. So we come down to, we look forward to Microsoft and Johnson Controls being able to make a glass smart thermostat. So with that in mind, we'll keep our eye out on everything. Any new information that we can find, we'll be bringing it out to you guys. Which brings me to the question of the day. What do you think of it? Take a look in the description of this video. There'll be a link to that video. Tell me what you think. Tell me whether you would buy it, and if you would, how much are you willing to spend on something like that? Again, thank you guys for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more home tech related videos. Hit that like button also if you got some value out of the video today. Also, remember that we will be doing a weekly video of new tech around the home, be it smart or just pretty cool technology that I myself have used or am using. Until we meet again, I'm Josh Gross, and this is Gross Tech. God bless and have a great day.